Guys, Bitcoin took an absolute tumble today, dropping at its highest of 15% for the day. But I want to explain why the clues were in the charts. So make sure you stay till the end so you can learn a couple things. The first thing I want to talk about is Market Cipher B. Guys, if you don't know, Market Cipher B is the only indicator that I use really. And it's the only indicator that you need. I want you guys to look at the money flow, primarily on the hourly time frame. Whenever price consolidates the way that it has been, I'm going to draw a box. Whenever price, let's hide our TR main. Whenever price consolidates like this, the most important thing to look for is the money flow. Okay? We look for divergences and we look for money flow. Back here, I'm not so interested in. So we're going to move the box forward to this consolidation period. This is the 1 hour time frame. If you ever see candles like this on the 1 hour time frame, whenever it's the most boring, that's when you need to pay attention the most. Bitcoin hit an all-time low of volatility in this range. And there were a couple signals as to why this move to the downside was going to happen. Number one, when there's no volatility, a very explosive move is coming. So you got to pay attention to it. Number two, you need to pay attention to the money flow on Market Cipher B. Look at how thick the money flow is currently. Now, I understand if you go back in time, the money flow was not as thick, but I want you to just take a look in the range that I have boxed out. We had green money flow, and then later we had red money flow. In our range, where's my my brush here? In this range, we had money flow pouring out of the asset. There is no denying it, and you could see it. And you could even see it before the dump happened. So we had money coming out of the asset on the hourly time frame, clear as day. You can't say you didn't see it. Market Cipher is king. But if for whatever reason you happen to miss it, look over here, guys. Even in this smaller consolidation zone, money flow is getting real thick before this massive move came. So even if you shorted from up here, which wasn't even where the daily open was, you would have caught or could have caught 15, 16%. Just by looking at the money flow on the hourly time frame alone. Now, we don't trade with just looking at the money flow alone. We use multiple confluences. And now I want to introduce you guys to Market Cipher A. I have not made a Market Cipher A tutorial video yet. I will, but I haven't yet. Market Cipher A can tell you what's going to happen in the future. In short, I'm not going to go in detail, too much in detail now, but in short, we have our manipulation, which are these yellow X's. We have our blood diamonds. We have our red diamonds and our red X's. All of these are bearish signs, especially the manipulation X's. Look at what happens when we get consecutive manipulations in a row. On the hourly time frame, we get 4 X's, huge drop. Just in case you missed this first drop and you didn't know if we were going to keep going, we have another confirmation manipulation X right there. Boom, move down. If you traded just on this X alone, you could have made 15% today. The clues were there. The money flow was pouring out. We had 4 X's in a row with blood diamonds. This bigger one is a blood diamond with the red diamonds. With the this whole range just stunk of manipulation and a big move was coming. When volatility, remember, volatility is at an all-time low, a big move is coming. Followed by these manipulation X's, bang, look at what happened. The next thing I want to talk to you about, the next clue that we had is our indicator called TR main. Now this one I have a complete tutorial on. And this one, if you guys know, my favorite word in trading is vector candles because that's where liquidity is. For this one, we're going to zoom out. I want you guys to take a look at these vector candles right here. They were recovered. You can't say that you didn't expect this move, or didn't expect is one thing. You can't say that you're upset about this move when we have the vector candles. The proof is right there, okay? For those who don't know, vector candles are where the market maker is placing his orders, right? So when price rises, market maker is shorting. Well, market maker needs to realize a return on the shorts that he built this entire move up. While we were in this range, the market maker was in drawdown. Not only is market maker in drawdown, but let's just say he has 500 million orders or $500 million in orders in this zone right here. He needs to realize a return, yes, but he also needs to release his liquidity, because when retail longs these candles up to, let's just say, $5 million, for example, market maker is shorting against your orders, right? So if cumulatively retail puts $500 million in this zone, then market maker puts $500 million in this zone. This is why vector candles are recovered. Not only do not only do market makers need to realize a return on their actual trades, but they need to release their liquidity, because contrary to belief, market makers do not have infinite money. So this 500 million, for example, is locked up. It's in an order. It's no different than if you're in a position of $100 and you're up $50, your margin is 100, your profit is 50, your unrealized profit is $50, but you don't have access to your 100 unless you close the trade. Same thing. Market maker does not have access to his 500 million unless he closes the trade. Market maker is not going to close the trade in negative. He's going to realize a return, and he's going to release his liquidity so he can continue to trade. Now, what can we expect next from Bitcoin? Well, by the vector candle principle, we have these zones right down here. So if in, let's just say, a couple weeks or tomorrow even, price comes down here, you can't say, oh my goodness, Bitcoin's crashing, because the answer is right there. I use the analogy of the dealer in Deal or No Deal, where you know he's there, but you don't know who he is, and then he gives you the offers. Market makers are not so different. We don't exactly know who they are, but they show their hands. So we can't say that we can't expect price to come down here because the vector candles are here. Look at these zones down here as well. Bitcoin, 17K. If Bitcoin taps these vectors, which they very well can, you can't say you're so surprised. We had bear divs this entire way up, right? So who's to say that we're not going to continue this move down? Well, before you get trigger happy and you hit the short button as soon as you see this video, that's not what I'm suggesting you do. If you've seen my SFP video or swing failure pattern video, you know that this is a daily swing failure pattern, and this can lead to quite a substantial reversal. In addition to that, our daily time frame has a red vector here, right? So if we close the candle around where we are, which we probably will, we could come up to recover that candle completely. We could even come higher. I don't know. This is an SFP, but we do have liquidity there. And we just said that market makers need to release their liquidity to keep the trades going. So is it possible that Bitcoin comes and takes this zone? It is very possible that they do. These vector candles are like having goggles that can see through clothes. I say it all the time. Everybody in my Discord knows how much I preach them. This is why vectors are my favorite part of trading, because it gives you guys the zones. They can't hide it. It's right in your face. If you were in my Discord, you can't say you were surprised by this, because the money is in your face. Just like here, if we continue lower, the money is in your face. The money is in your face. Guys, if you like the content and you like these quick updates and how you can catch these signals, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. I just hit 1,000 subs, by the way, which I can't thank you guys enough. Shouts out to everybody in the Discord. You guys are great. We're chatting all day. We're doing technical analysis, and we've really become friends in there. And I couldn't have done it without you guys. So I really, really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to where this channel is going to take me. I'm going to start doing a lot more videos, a lot more consistent videos. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you sub, and make sure you hit the bell. And guys, let me know in the comments if you made some money today and how much you made, because you know what? If you did, you're absolutely should be proud. Today was a crazy day. Who knows what's going to come next? I gave you 2 scenarios there. This is just on the daily time frame. Of course, now we're going to wait for our range to form, and we're going to trade the range as we always do. And we're going to hold that position. We're going to get a schlong going where we're short and long, so we win either way. And that's how we roll in our Discord here. So yeah, if you guys haven't joined the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. The link is down in the description below. Everybody's welcome, and we have a great community in there, and we're all friendly, and we all talk all day. So, you know, you're not trading alone. My name is Gio. I've been trading for 2.5 years, and you guys know I believe in providing value up front. So I give you guys my levels and stuff by joining the VIP Discord, which you can join for free by DMing the following code to my bot. We'll make it 4000. Okay? Guys, that's it for today's video. I appreciate all y'all again. Thank you so much for 1,000 subs, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy trading. Goodbye.